Welcome to a mansion where royalty meets modern elegance. Today, we explore a luxurious estate themed in Imperial Maroon and Ivory White. The mansion's grand exterior radiates timeless royalty with its bold Imperial Maroon walls, contrasted by intricate ivory white trims and columns. A towering entrance arch leads to custom-crafted double doors with ivory inlays and golden handles. Lush landscaping frames the entrance, offering a soft touch to the majestic color scheme. Tall ivory-framed windows line the facade, reflecting the sunlight like jewels. A marble staircase leads up to the entryway, bordered by antique lanterns with warm golden hues. Every corner and edge is detailed with precision, creating a stately and powerful presence. It's a front view that commands attention and whispers prestige with every glance. The driveway itself is a showcase of symmetry and grace, paved in patterned stone. Flanked by maroon-accented pillars and soft-lit posts, it gives a regal welcome to all who enter. The landscaping complements the architecture, with manicured shrubs and blooming flowers. Large ivory planter's house seasonal arrangements that pop against the maroon walls. The lighting design enhances the texture and curves of the home, especially at dusk. The combination of bold and soft tones draws the eye and holds in awe. It's a cinematic start to a mansion experience unlike any other. The facade harmonizes tradition with modern flair, balancing vibrant tones with natural elements. The rear of the mansion opens to a panoramic showcase of ivory balconies and maroon paneled walls. French doors with delicate ivory trimming lead to the expansive backyard. Each level is adorned with railings in antique bronze, complementing the overall palette. Massive glass panels blend indoor comfort with outdoor beauty effortlessly. The outdoor lighting highlights the intricate carvings and classical symmetry. Above, a maroon gable roof crowns the entire estate with stately brilliance. It's as stunning from the back as it is from the front, if not more. Tiered terraces expand from the back, offering space for lounging, entertaining, or relaxing. Ivory stone steps connect each level, while floor arrangements provide vibrant contrast. Pergolas with maroon beams and ivory drapery offer shade and charm. Outdoor furniture in matching tones rests elegantly under soft string lights. The transition from inside to outside feels seamless and cohesive in design. Every angle is photogenic, framed by symmetry and softened by nature. This is luxury landscaping paired perfectly with elite architecture. Step into the garden, and you'll find a tranquil sanctuary dressed in Imperial Maroon and Ivory White. The stone pathway, lined in ivory, winds through precisely manicured lawns and symmetrical flower beds. Maroon accent walls provide a strong backdrop for the bright green foliage and blooming white roses. Ornamental trees offer shade while adding vertical charm to the landscape. Ivory benches, placed at intervals, invite you to sit and admire the serene space. Classical sculptures in white marble stand gracefully among the plants, enhancing the regal theme. Every detail in the garden feels like an outdoor extension of the mansion's inner elegance. The garden design embraces both structure and softness, with topiaries trimmed to perfection and flowing vines climbing maroon trellises. A central fountain, carved in ivory stone, burbles gently as birds flutter around its base. The sound of running water and the rustle of leaves create a calming ambience. Wide flower beds filled with seasonal blooms bring color that complements the dominant maroon and ivory palette. Lantern-style lights line the paths, offering a soft glow in the evening hours. Garden walls with maroon bricks and ivory borders add visual depth and privacy. It's a personal haven that reflects harmony and grandeur. The pool area is a crown jewel of the estate, where the Imperial Maroon and Ivory White theme truly dazzles. The water shimmers with reflections of surrounding maroon tile walls and ivory statues. Ivory tile decking surrounds a pool in clean geometric lines, offering both visual appeal and practicality. Loungers with maroon cushions and ivory frames are arranged neatly under large umbrellas. The overall ambience feels like a private royal resort. Accent lighting highlights the curves of the pool and the smooth textures of surrounding stonework. In every direction, the space exudes luxury and exclusivity. Beyond the pool, a spa-style hot tub is built into a corner alcove, enclosed by maroon pillars with flowing ivory curtains. A cascading waterfall feature adds both sound and motion to the serene setting. The balance of color continues with custom poolside furniture and decor pieces in maroon leather and ivory wood. Palm trees and topiary plants provide a lush border while enhancing privacy. At night, soft golden lighting transforms the area into a glowing retreat. Subtle design choices, like golden drain covers and ivory-tiled inlays, add unexpected richness. It's an outdoor escape fit for royalty. The living room is where elegance reaches its peak, a harmonious blend of imperial maroon and ivory white in every corner. Plush maroon velvet sofas are paired with ivory throw pillows and gold-accented coffee tables. The walls are finished in rich maroon with ivory wainscoting and cornice molding, adding texture and depth. A grand fireplace with an ivory mantel stands as the room's centerpiece. Above it, a gilded mirror reflects the warm glow of a crystal chandelier. The carpet underfoot features intricate maroon and ivory patterns, softening the acoustics and completing the visual harmony. This is a space designed for both comfort and status. Natural light floods a room through tall arch windows framed in ivory, draped with heavy maroon curtains. During the day, it creates a soft interplay of light and shadow across the surfaces. The ceiling, painted in ivory with ornate maroon beams, adds vertical interest. Built-in shelves along one wall hold curated collections of books and royal memorabilia. Each piece of furniture and decor is hand-selected to match the theme. The room's symmetry brings a calming balance, and every inch feels intentional. It's a living area that serves as the emotional heart of the mansion. The grand entrance welcomes you with overwhelming beauty and grace, drenched in the mansion's signature colors. Double-height ceilings rise above a patterned marble floor, where imperial maroon swirls meet ivory stone. A sweeping staircase with ivory railings and maroon carpeting curves elegantly to the upper level. The chandelier above is a marvel, dripping with crystals and framed in golden leaf. Columns rise like pillars of strength, finished in soft ivory with maroon veining. The main door, tall and wide, boasts carvings detailed with maroon and ivory inlays. It's an entrance worthy of royalty, designed to impress at first sight. Upon entering, your eyes are drawn to the symmetry and architectural finesse. Wall sconces cast golden light on the maroon walls, each holding an ivory-framed portrait or piece of art. The ceiling features a painted medallion surrounded by intricate molding. A circular maroon rug with ivory embroidery anchors the space under the chandelier. The ambient lighting enhances the textures and tones, making every detail stand out. Decorative plants and ivory pots flank the corners, adding a touch of nature without disrupting the theme. It's more than a hallway. It's a gallery of elegance. The kitchen dazzles with imperial maroon cabinetry paired beautifully with ivory white marble countertops and backsplash, creating a sophisticated workspace. Antique gold fixtures, including handles and faucets, add an extra layer of regal charm to this culinary haven. State-of-the-art appliances are seamlessly integrated, ensuring the space is as functional as it is luxurious. Under-cabinet lighting highlights the rich maroon tones while brightening the ivory surfaces, balancing warmth and clarity. The large central island, topped in ivory marble, invites casual dining or meal prep with stylish bar stools upholstered in maroon velvet. Natural light streams through tall windows framed in ivory, illuminating the kitchen's gleaming surfaces and accentuating the rich textures. The ceiling is adorned with subtle maroon beams, complementing the cabinetry below. A walk-in pantry hidden behind an ivory door provides ample storage, keeping clutter out of sight. The flooring, a polished ivory stone, contrasts beautifully with the maroon accents and is easy to clean after busy cooking days. This kitchen is not just a place to cook, but a statement of refinement. From casual breakfast to lavish dinner preparations, every detail has been carefully curated for style and comfort. Step into the formal dining hall, where imperial maroon and ivory white create an atmosphere of grandeur and warmth. The long mahogany table is surrounded by high-back chairs upholstered in maroon velvet with ivory trims. Overhead, a magnificent crystal chandelier casts shimmering light across the room, reflecting off ivory-paneled walls accented with gold leaf detailing. Large windows draped in rich maroon curtains allow natural light to mingle with the glow of candlelight during evening dinners. The walls feature intricate molding and framed artwork that celebrates royal heritage, echoing the color palette throughout. Ivory wainscoting contrasts beautifully with the maroon walls, adding texture and sophistication. Decorative gold sconces provide soft ambient lighting, creating an intimate yet grand environment. The ceiling is detailed with maroon and ivory plasterwork, showcasing the craftsmanship that defines this mansion. Rich Persian-style rugs and coordinating colors soften footsteps and add a layer of luxury beneath the table. This dining hall perfectly balances opulence with comfort, setting the stage for memorable gatherings. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of imperial luxury, where the boldness of maroon meets the softness of ivory in perfect harmony. The grand four-poster bed is draped in rich maroon velvet curtains with ivory silk sheets and plush pillows. Walls painted in deep maroon are framed by ivory crown molding and paneling, creating a cozy yet regal atmosphere. A crystal chandelier hangs overhead, casting a soft glow that highlights the room's exquisite details. Natural light pours in through tall windows dressed with layered ivory and maroon drapes, allowing for complete privacy or openness at will. A seating area with ivory armchairs and a maroon ottoman creates a perfect nook for reading or quiet reflection. Built-in wardrobes blend seamlessly with the walls, finished in ivory with maroon trim and gold hardware. The ceiling is painted a soft ivory with delicate maroon stencil work, adding an artistic touch. The room is spacious yet inviting, balancing grandeur with intimate comfort. Every element has been chosen to create a restful and inspiring environment. Step into the walk-in closet, a luxurious haven where imperial maroon and ivory white create a perfect balance of elegance and organization. Custom cabinetry in deep maroon provides ample storage, while ivory shelving and drawers keep accessories beautifully displayed. Antique gold handles and accents add a regal touch, turning this functional space into a stylish retreat. Soft ivory carpeting cushions every step, enhancing comfort and luxury. Every detail in the closet emphasizes both style and accessibility. Rows of hanging space are organized by garment type and color, while dedicated sections house shoes, handbags, and jewelry. The maroon velvet-lined drawers offer a plush home for delicate items, and ivory display cases showcase treasured pieces. A central island with a marble top and golden drawer pulls provides extra surface area for styling and storage. This walk-in closet redefines luxury dressing. The bathroom is an opulent scape, where imperial maroon and ivory white blend seamlessly to create a spa-like retreat. Ivory marble tiles cover floors and walls, with maroon mosaic inlays adding depth and richness. A large soaking tub, framed by antique gold fixtures, invites relaxation, surrounded by ivory columns and maroon accent walls. The double vanity features ivory countertops and cabinetry with maroon detailing, topped with gilded mirrors that reflect light and elegance. The shower area is enclosed in clear glass, accented by maroon tiles and gold hardware. Multiple shower heads, including a rainfall option, provide a luxurious experience. Storage niches built into the walls hold high-end toiletries, keeping the space clutter-free. The ceiling is painted ivory with gold trim, enhancing the sense of height and openness. Elegant sconces on either side of the mirrors provide flattering lighting, while fresh flowers and antique gold vases bring a natural touch. Step into home theater, where imperial maroon and ivory white create a sumptuous atmosphere for cinematic indulgence. Plush maroon velvet seats, complete with ivory piping, are arranged in tiered rows for optimal viewing. Walls are soundproof and covered in rich maroon fabric panels, contrasted by ivory acoustic trims that add texture and elegance. An oversized screen dominates the front, framed by antique gold molding that adds a touch of royalty. Ambient lighting is adjustable, with soft ivory LEDs hidden behind maroon cornices, ensuring perfect mood control. The theater ceiling features an ivory base with maroon star-like accents, mimicking a night sky for a magical ambience. Surround sound speakers are discreetly integrated, delivering crisp, enveloping audio. Side tables with antique gold finishes provide places for refreshments and remote controls, blending function with style. Rich velvet curtains in maroon and ivory can be drawn to darken the room completely. The garage is a showcase of luxury, where imperial maroon and ivory white colors extend even to automotive elegance. polished ivory flooring reflects a gleam of a carefully curated collection of luxury cars, each with custom maroon and gold detailing. The walls are painted a rich maroon, highlighted by ivory trim and antique gold storage cabinets that house tools and accessories with style. Large windows with ivory frames let in natural light, accentuating the shine on every vehicle. Overhead, golden LED strip lighting adds a warm glow, emphasizing the garage's cleanliness and order. This space is more than just practical. It's a tribute to the mansion's opulence. The garage is spacious enough to accommodate multiple high-end cars, each parked with precision. A workbench area features ivory countertops and maroon cabinetry, perfectly blending utility with the mansion's royal aesthetic. This garage reflects a lifestyle where luxury and functionality meet seamlessly. Thank you for joining this exclusive tour of the Imperial Maroon and Ivory White Mansion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more luxury home inspirations.